So what you have here is a really good start. I see that you're hitting these 3 points for f of 1 is 0, f of 2 is 4, f of 3 is 6. And really what the calculus part here is kind of the limit as you approach, in this case, 2. So there's a few different varieties of functions that would satisfy these conditions, and you just need to draw one of them. So one thing I would recommend, the very first thing you do is you draw your axes where you're able to hit the y value of 5 and the y value of -3. So just kind of like what you did here, 0, 1, 2, 4, and 3, 6. And so I'm going to scroll up a little bit there. So I have those 3 points, and those are solid points. Now the limit as x goes to 2 from the left. So I'm going to take this point and I'm going to approach this point, or I'm going to be approaching the x value 2, but my function is going to be approaching -3. The value of the function at 2 is 4, but I'm going to have something like this. Oops. Try and do this on my desktop instead of my surface. So then I have an open circle here. So function's going down here and it's approaching this y equals -3. But the value of the function at 2 is still 4. The limit of 2 to the right is 5. So if I'm approaching 2 from the right, I'm going to have to click on this point at some point. I have to go through it because the value of the function at 3. I know nothing about the limit at 3. So like I said, there's a few different functions that satisfy the given properties. You could do something different. I'm just going to go to this point, and I'm going to say the limit as 2 goes from the right is going to go to 5. So then I'm going to have maybe an open circle here, 5, and I'm just going to connect those 2 dots. A lot of different ways to do this, but this graph over here satisfies the 5 conditions here. So hopefully that helps. If you have any other questions, please let me know.